Welcome to GWell Mathematics. Today, we will be looking at matrices. Our learning outcomes for today, you should be able to tell what is a matrix, identify order of a matrix, and the types of a matrix. Let us get started. What is a matrix? A matrix is a rectangular arrangement of numbers, letters, or a combination of both. A matrix is formed when the above mentioned are arranged in rows and columns. Please note that rows are horizontal arrangements and columns are vertical arrangement. Let us look at the order of a matrix. The order of a matrix is identified by the number of rows and columns the matrix has. In this example, we have 2, 1, 0, 6. These are referred to as members of the matrix. 2 and 1 forms the first row. 0 and 6 are members of the second row. So this matrix has 2 rows. Let us see how many columns this matrix has. 2, 0 forms the first column and 1, 6 forms the second column. Please recall that rows are horizontal arrangement and columns are vertical arrangement. So this matrix has 2 rows and 2 columns. So the order or the size of this matrix is called a 2 by 2 matrix. Let us look at this matrix. You may pause the video at this time and identify the order or the size of this matrix. Great job. Let us see if our answers are the same. So this matrix has -1 and 0 are members of the first row. 5, 6 are members of the second row, and 0, -3 are members of the third row. So this matrix has 3 rows. Let us see how many columns this matrix has. -1, 5, and 0 forms the first row. 0, 6, -3 forms the second column. So this matrix has 2 columns. So a matrix that has 3 rows and 2 columns is a 3 by 2 matrix. Did you say a 3 by 2 matrix? Excellent. Let us look at another example. What is the order of this matrix? Great job. Let us see if our answers are the same. So, the members of this matrix are A, 4, and K. A, 4, and K forms row 1. Are there any more rows? No, they are not. So let's just see how many columns are there. A is in the first column. 4 is in the second column. And K is in the third column. So this matrix has 3 columns. A matrix that has 1 row and 3 columns is a 1 by 3 matrix. Did you say a 1 by 3 matrix? Fantastic. Let us look at some real-life applications of matrix. Here we have an egg tray, we have a stove, and we have some children in a queue. Look at the egg tray. What type of matrix is formed? Did you say a 2 by 6 matrix? Absolutely fantastic. Let us look at the stove. Can you tell what type of matrix is formed? Did you say a 2 by 2 matrix? 2 from 2. Let us look at the third. Did you say a 9 by 1 matrix? Absolutely brilliant. Can you think of any other examples of matrix in real life? Great job. So let us look at types of matrices. So the first type of matrix that we'll be looking at is called a row matrix. A row matrix has only 1 row. In this example, 3, -1, 5 forms a 1 by 3 matrix. In this example, we are only seeing 1 row. Let us look at another type of matrix. Column matrix. A column matrix has only 1 column. In this example, 3, -1, 5 forms a 3 by 1 matrix where we only have 1 column. Another type of matrix is called a squared matrix. A square matrix has equal numbers of rows and columns. In this example, 4K06 forms a 2 by 2 matrix. It has 2 rows and 2 columns, equal numbers of rows and columns. Our fourth type of matrix is called a diagonal matrix. This is a squared matrix with all elements are 0 except elements on the leading diagonal. In this example, we have 4006. Notice in the leading diagonal, which has 4 and 6, these are non-zero digits. Our non-leading diagonal has zeros. So we refer to this as a diagonal matrix. The next type of matrix we'll be looking at is called an identity matrix or a unit matrix. So this is a diagonal matrix. Our first member is 1 and our fourth member is also 1. Notice our non-leading diagonal, the members are 0 in the second and 0 as our third member. So we have come to the end of our session. In our next session, we will be looking at addition and subtraction of matrices. Thank you guys for watching. See you in our next video.